Quite simply, the best shave of your life. 22 months, 3 replacement blades, 0 cuts, 0 nicks, 0 worry. Now, OneBlade is not for everyone, and it doesn't do everything perfectly well. But what it does provide is nick and worry-free removal of long stubble. In fact, the longer the better. I'm looking at about a 7-day beard growth here. Just when the hair starts to bug me, it's time to go. OneBlade is great for trimming, a goatee, a mustache, eyebrows. They even make a body groom kit attachment where you can attend to your man stuff. Directions say, for best results, you want to cut against the grain. Now, it doesn't get as close as a traditional razor, especially on that just one against the grain pass. But if you work at it, definitely serviceable for the average guy. You want to get funky? You like that little cutout there? Quick and easy. Let's do the other side. Makes for designing and trimming your goatee painless. Okay, let's take the goatee off. Now this is a stubborn patch of white coarse hair. Look how quickly and easily OneBlade takes care of it. Nick-free, worry-free, pain-free. I've got the George Michael devil look here with the soul patch. So let's trim up the soul patch. I got the George Michael older look. Should I just leave the soul patch and the mustache? Let's get rid of the soul patch. Right now, I'm ready to rock and roll. If I want to leave the mustache, This, again, it's not going to get you as smooth as you would if you had like a regular, let's say a Gillette or a straight razor, but it's definitely acceptable for the average guy, and there's no irritation. There's no worry of cutting yourself. There's no nicks, no pain. Just beauty, just beautiness. I gotta learn how to cut my eyebrows because I made a mistake there, but other than that, let me know if you think I should keep the mustache or if I should get rid of it. And maybe I'll keep it for a while. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you soon, maybe sooner than you think, because I might need to get rid of this. But remember, guys.
Remember.
Keep pushing.
Play. And I'll see you next time.
Quite simply, the best shave of your life.